Now, when you're packing to go away for travel, often what you want, particularly if you're into activities, is something that's comfortable, practical, and easy to wear. Today's video is about 5 multifunctional outfits that you can use for a travel capsule. So let's get started. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Barra. I have been a personal stylist for 26 years. And I'm now here to help you build wardrobes that mix and match easily. So today's video is partially sponsored by Halara. So number one are these slightly off the shoulder tops. Now I've got two of them, one in black and one in this kind of very sort of mushroom brown color, which I really like because it goes very well with my color palette. It also goes well with lots of other items in my wardrobe. Now, what I like particularly about these is they're perfect if it's a bit cool in the evening. You can just chuck it over the top, maybe from a camisole or a vest that you've been wearing, and it will just give you that little bit extra coverage. But the other thing that I particularly like about these is they're very super soft. They're really, really soft. I like the ruching at the side because it gives it a little bit more of an interesting detail. And in addition, particularly what I like about these, and the reason why I wanted to put these first, because I do think they're definitely multifunctional, is the fact that I could wear this to go to yoga. I could put this on over my yoga top with my yoga leggings, but I could also wear it with a pair of jeans and have it quite casual. Or again, I could put it with a skirt. They're quite simple, but also very functional. So that's one of the things that I really liked about it. It's great for a layer, great to wear for sportswear. You could wear this hiking. You could wear this in an evening if you're going out somewhere. You could put it on with a pair of jeans. And it's also super soft, so it's really comfortable as well. I have 15% off all the Halara products that I've mentioned today. All the links are in the description, so you can find them there. Take a look and grab that discount code. Now, if you really are struggling what to do with your wardrobe, not just for travel, but anything, definitely book in for a discovery call with me. I'd love to meet you. I love meeting all of you and helping you all over the world. It's one of my favorite things to do. And we can have a little chat for 15 minutes. It's free, and I can talk to you about how I can help you. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the link here and also in the notes. Number two is these jeans. Now, often when you think of packing jeans to go away for a trip, they take up a lot of room because the fabric's very thick and bulky. Also, jean denim can often add quite a lot of weight as well. Now, the beauty of these jeans is that they are a lot thinner, and B, they're super, super stretchy. So I've got some in blue here, and I've also got some in this off-white. There's loads of different colors that you can choose from. Now, I particularly like this kind of cut. For me, I like something that's a little bit of a wide leg, not the higher waisted ones that have been around for quite a while. So if that's something you're not so keen on, then you might want to choose like a higher waisted pair. There's lots of options on their website, by the way. But like I say, the biggest thing that I like about these is they pack down a lot smaller than conventional jeans do. But B, they are so comfortable. So again, you could wear these if you're walking around the city all day, or maybe you're visiting different kind of historical landmarks, etc. These would be absolutely perfect for this. Now, I think the blue denim is obviously very versatile, will go with lots of different things. I've always thought that the ivory off-white denim is much more elegant looking. So if you wanted something that looks a little bit more dressed up, that you can dress up a lot more, then I would go for the lighter color. But yes, these are perfect again because they give the impression of a normal denim pair of jeans, but they're not as bulky. They feel so much more comfortable and they pack down a lot smaller. Now, number three is these leggings. Now, I've got two different pairs here, two different styles. One style is supposed to be slightly longer, but my legs are quite short, so it doesn't necessarily show up on me. But I would use these again for various different things. Now, I mainly use these for yoga. I have been on trips before, so if you're going on a yoga retreat, these are perfect for it. Now, what I particularly like about Halara leggings, and I have tried quite a few. I've tried Sweaty Betty, I have tried Angola, I've tried quite a few different brands. And what I particularly like about the Halara ones is you don't get bits of fluff stuck to them all the time. So I've tried quite a few different types of brands of leggings, and I go to yoga and Pilates twice a week, so 4 times throughout the week. So I wear them quite a lot as well. And there's a few very well-known big brands that are quite expensive as well. And I've had their leggings, and whilst they feel nice, they get bits of fluff stuck to them all the time, and it just drives you mad. So, particularly if you've got a darker pair of leggings, which most people tend to go for, it doesn't work. Now, what's great about these, it doesn't happen with these. They feel just as comfortable. They've also got the higher bit at the top, which I like as well, because it keeps you nice and firm here in your core, which I think is great as well. So I would use these for a yoga retreat, but I would also use them for for going walking again, if you're going hiking, if you're looking around certain areas and you're walking a lot that day, that would be a perfect option as well. So I think having a pair of leggings like this is really good, particularly obviously if you're going on a yoga retreat or you're going to a hotel where maybe you can work out or you could do a yoga or Pilates class. These would be a great addition as well. Loads of different colors, like literally every color under the sun. So yeah, if you're looking for leggings, I highly recommend these. They've got the pockets at the sides as well, which is another great addition, and they're comfortable. And also they don't get those bits of fluff stuck to them, which is another thing which is great if you are traveling, because that's the last thing you want, is something where you're constantly having to treat it in some way. You want clothes that are going to be easy, right? Now, one of the other ways in which I can help you is I have just added 2 additional tiers to my membership here on YouTube. Now, what I wanted to do was to create an environment where people could get help from me, but also not necessarily invest in one of the bigger packages. So if that sounds like you and you want to pay a small monthly fee to get direct help from me, definitely take a look at that. And if you've got any questions, just message me or email me on michelle@capsuleclosetstylist.com. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, next up is this dress. Now, I love these sort of dresses because they are perfect. You could dress this up with a pair of heels, you could dress it down with a pair of sandals, or you could wear it to the beach. You'd have it as a beach dress. This is what I do with it quite a lot, actually. In fact, what I sometimes do is I wear a yoga top with a pair of leggings. I bring a pair of bikini bottoms with me. I chuck this dress over the top. I go and do my yoga. I come out, I go straight in the sea, and with my bikini bottoms on, and chuck this dress over the top again and go home. So this type of dress is perfect for going on holiday. It's so versatile. You can dress it up or dress it down and also use it as a beach cover up as well. Love these. They're really fantastic. Now, next is one of these jumpsuits. Now, I have had this jumpsuit for probably about 10 years now. I bought it a long time ago and I wear it. It's perfect to go to the beach, again, as a beach cover up, put it over the top, walk around the shops, do whatever I want. The thing that I like about it as well is it's very airy because it's very baggy around the bottom. It's really airy, so it allows for airflow, which I think is fantastic as well. So these come in lots of different colors again, lots of different styles. You can get loads of different types of them. I wanted to keep something quite simple. I would say go with a simple dark-ish color because you could dress it up a little bit as well and it looks a little bit more elegant. In addition, because it is quite baggy around here, if you go for a lighter color and you are quite petite or you have put on a little bit of weight and you're conscious about that, it might make that look a little bit bigger. So if that is the case, then I would go for a darker color. Now, last but not least is a pair of shorts. Now, you could go for denim shorts, absolutely. But what I would also recommend is you look at something like this. Now, these particular shorts, I've got another pair of these as well, but I really like this color. This is one of my favorite colors, this kind of petrol sort of color. Again, comes in loads of different colors. But the brilliant thing about these is the fact that they've got the tighter shorts underneath and then the wider, baggier ones over the top. So they've got that kind of discreet cover underneath. Now, I sometimes do yoga and Pilates on the beach. And so when we're doing kind of all our various kind of legs in the air times of things, and it's really hot, these are great because I know that I can stick my legs in the air and I don't have to worry about anything. I think these would also be fantastic, again, if you're going away and you're doing any running or you're doing a lot of walking or you're going to a class or maybe you're going to do some working out while you're away. Again, these would be a great addition. I think they're, again, very stretchy. They're, again, very comfortable. They've got the hidden little pocket at the back, which is a great addition. Again, comes in loads of different colors. And they fold up really nicely and they travel very nicely. They don't get bits of fluff stuck to them. So again, a pair of shorts. Now, the alternative to that is a basic pair of fitted shorts, so a little bit like leggings, but shorter like these. So you could go for either option. Maybe you would prefer something like this. I know a lot of people do, but I wanted something that looked a little bit more like a pair of wider shorts to go away with, because I feel like then I could actually wear them walking around, I don't know, shopping or like on a day out or something like that. So again, these are a great versatile pair of shorts. Now, the reason why I like these particularly, again, is because they're super comfortable. All of these items are really stretchy and comfortable, and they're easy to travel with as well. So I thought these were great options for a holiday. So I hope you found that helpful. I hope you have a wonderful trip wherever you're going. Please take me with you. I'm very tiny. I fit in a suitcase and I love going everywhere. Have a wonderful week and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.